Hey guys, maggagawa ako ng triangle.
Di ba matagal na yan?
Ay, opo nga. Matagal na nga yan. I was talking to my friend called Ate Jam Jam. If you're a Ate Jam Jam fan, please like and subscribe. And also leave a heart in the comments to support me. Okay?
Ay, dito si Mama.
Papa! Tabi ka!
Ano ba?
Uy!
Wait lang anak. Tabi mo na yung phone mo.
Uy, ang phone ko.
Ay,
Ay, ka na.
Pahinga ka na ba? Tama na yan.
Ginating.
ano ka nakasakay ka? Nagkamali lang ako eh. Ano ba ingay?
Saan ka naman? Wala nang lalabas at umuulan.
Okay, that was crazy. I need to fix this. Ate Jam Jam! Halika dito, mag-show up ka para makita ikaw ng mga fans mo kapag nanonood sila ng intro. And that's my friend called Ate Jam Jam. If you ever seen her videos, please like and subscribe. Oh, I also already said that. Hey! The straw!
Right.
Can you give me all of this?
Mama will go there and sleep it. Already.
Sigma boy! Sigma boy! Sigma boy!
Nandun na nakainom na. Daumbo sila kanina si Roger andun. Tumatawa. Ano ba pasok tawid? Sabi mo na yan. Don't tawid to ang level. Kanino ito? Basta mama is sleep already. Mabusog ka o hindi? Ay may video malaki, may malaki.
Wait, I'm doing something.
Malakit.
Guys, if you want
Malakit.
me to show up a face reveal again every video I do, please like and subscribe. Or have a comment saying this. I want you to do a face reveal.
Baliktad yun. Kaya talaga tayo sa akin na lang.
Ate Jam Jam, what the? He gave me all of the straws. I only need 3. Today's intro, I'm doing a long stick. I can't even reach it.
Sige.
Ah!
Sige, magbukas ng kamay, magkain lang. Sige, magbukas ng kamay, kakawakas ng pera. Kumuha na sila, Jenna?
Sigma boy. Sigma boy.
Puro kayo doon at ano ko lang si Mama. Simpa ko. Mag-uwi na sila?
Mami, umuwi na si Jana?
Oo, umuwi ko na.
Ulan-ulan ha. Kain mo yung dikit mo.
Si Aurora?
Kainin mo na lang.
I don't.
Urong mo na kayo doon.
Eh? Yes! Yes.
Urong mo na, urong. Oh, pa.
This extra strong. What? Hey! Keep your Okay. I keep it. Okay, I think I can do it. What?
Mas magbalis ka muna doon. Magbalis ka muna doon. Lighter on.
Nick! Now let's just keep it as a triangle.
Pasukin mo na yan.
Hindi ba ngayon?
Diyan lang kayo ha. Magtawid-tawid yun.
Ay, di, get ko lang itong ano.
I-fix that already? Sige, iyan nyo na muna itas na. Magwalis ka muna.
Eh.
Lamuhan dito mga bata. Iligpig nyo muna yung mga yan at magwawalis lang ako.
Now I made a triangle. If you made a triangle, do this. And... Hey! Why did you put all of the bracelets? Yes. Today's video is over. Bye. Like and subscribe.